My what the fuck? Sorry, I TK that shit. I mean, I KS that shit.
Team wins. Good job. I'm on it. Round start.
What the fuck? No fucking backpack?
Roger that.
Can I use my fucking spec then?
No, payback. There's
Roger
no
that.
respect.
Oh my
Look.
god.
You haven't downloaded TeamSpeak? Or you just not?
Oh, yeah, I forgot that shit.
Okay, fine.
I'm gonna do it right now. I'm gonna do it right now. Wait. Let me do it right now. Wait. I'm gonna camp here. Let me look. Hey, M24, no spec. I'm gonna get mine.
He could get spec. You know why? Because there is no, what do you call it? Spec weapons. Because he can't use it all.
Oh, he can't use it? Oh, okay.
It's no packback, so it's pretty much useless.
Oh, wow.
You might be a lot faster with your normal character, you know. So have you seen the video I linked you? Okay, just after like you die or something. Okay, yeah. After you die, you know, let me kill you and then check out the video. Like right now. Like
But
click
what
Facebook.
video? Did you type it on the message?
Yeah, I did. I sent you the